Great morning students, this is Manasvi in front of you. Today we will do chapter 2. So let's start our chapter. Great morning students, we are doing chapter 2, factors and multiples. We should need to understand factorized first. We start with simple natural number 6. To find the factors of 6, ask yourself, how can we write 6 as a product of two numbers? We can write 6 just like this. 1 multiplies 6 is equal to 6. 2 multiplied 3 is equal to 6. So factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. If we will divide 6 by 2, we will get the remainder 0. If we divide 6 by 3, then also we get the remainder 0. So what is factor? Factor of a number is an exact divisor. It is an exact divisor. It is an exact divisor of that number. So what is factor? A factor of a number is an exact divisor of that number. Now about multiples. What is multiples? See, 7 into 1 is equal to 7. 7 into 2 is equal to 14. 7 into 3 is equal to 21. So it is so on. A number is said to be a multiple of its factor. Its factor. A number is said to be a multiple of any of its factor. Now we can see the example of second also. We can see the example of 2. 2 multiple 1 is equal to 2. 2 multiple 2 is equal to 4. 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6. So 2, 4, 6 they are multiple of 2. 2, 4, 6 are multiple of 2. So these are even numbers also. Means all multiples of 2 are called even number, and numbers which are not multiples of 2, they are called odd number, just like 1, 3, 7, 8. Now various types of number. Even number. First of all, even number. I told you here, all multiples of 2 are called even number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, etc. These are multiples of 2. Now we are talking about odd number. Now we are talking about odd number. Numbers, see odd number. Numbers which are not multiples of 2 are called odd number. For example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. Now prime numbers. Each of the numbers which have exactly two factors. 1 and itself. For example, see example 2, 3, 5, 11, 17, 19, 23, etc. So these are prime number. Now we are talking about composite number. What is composite number? Numbers having more than two factors are known as composite number. Composite number. Numbers having more than two factors. Means you have to see more than two factors are known as composite number. For example, 4, 6. How many factors of 4? See how many factors? 1, 2, and 4 itself. So it has 3 factors because 1 into 4 is 4, 2 into 2 is equal to 4, and 4 into 1 is equal to 4. So it has 3 factors: 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, etc. So these are composite number. Now see, here we have to, this is a table C of Eratosthenes. So this is a table 1, 2, 3 means it is a table finding prime and composite number. Finding prime and composite number. See, we have to finding prime and composite number from 1 to 100. 1 to 100. Finding prime and composite number from 1 to 100. So this is a table. Prepare a table of number from 1 to 100, taking 10 numbers in each row as shown below. It is given a we know that one is neither prime nor composite. So we separate it out by making a box around it. It is a separate because it is neither prime number nor composite number. It is neither prime or not composite number. See what is prime number. Example of prime number. Example of prime number is 2. Example of prime number is 2 and composite number is 4. So 1 is neither prime number or nor composite number. So we separate it out by making a box around it. Now second, see, encircle 2 as a prime number and cross out every multiple of 2. We will cross out every multiple of 2. This is also multiple of 2, this is also multiple of 2, this is also multiple of 2. So that's why we have crossed it. Now encircle 3 as a prime number and cross out every multiple of 3. So we will cross out every multiple of 3. Encircle 5 as a prime number and Cross out every multiple of 5. Every multiple of 5 we will cross out. Continue this process till the numbers up to 100 are either encircled or crossed out. Thank you. You have to do work till here. You will do work till here. Thank you. Have a nice day.